Hi, Hartford Elementary and Lewis and Clark Elementary. This is Miss M here, and we're going to be learning about a new art word today, and that word is pattern. So patterns are things that repeat themselves, and you can have patterns everywhere in your life. So probably on your clothes, like my striped shirt. You probably have patterns on your mask. There's patterns on Christmas wrapping paper. We have green leaf, red flower, green leaf, red flowers. They keep repeating themselves. On this one, we have wreath, tree, wreath. Then we have star, heart, star. So they're things that keep repeating themselves over and over. They don't change. It's not just one thing, but it's something that keeps going and going and going and going. So my scrunchie here, this is a pattern. There's flowers all over it repeating themselves and in different colors. In artwork, there's definitely patterns. Notice, patterns can also just be objects repeating themselves. It doesn't have to be different, but notice those tiny red dots. They keep repeating themselves over and over and over. So today we are going to be talking about snowflakes because it's starting to get cold out and possibly snow, who knows. So snowflakes are really easy to cut out, and it's something you can do at home with your scissors that you have. You can use newspaper, you can use wrapping paper, you can use standard just white paper. Today, I'm going to be making some French fry snowflakes for Mrs. Roper because she loves French fries, and I'm going to go to her house and put snowflakes all over her door for her with French fries on them. So you can help me do this. So if we look at a snowflake here, I've already cut these out, but notice the pictures repeat themselves. So these cutout images keep repeating. So we have tiny diamond, big diamond, tiny diamond, big diamond, big diamond, tiny diamond, big diamond, tiny diamond, big diamond, tiny diamond, big diamond, tiny diamond, big diamond. We're missing one right here, but it does repeat in a pattern. So I have a couple that I've made. Like I said, you can use newspaper to cut these out. Whatever you have at home is perfectly fine to use for this project. So let's see how to do it. Okay, so materials you'll need scissors, you need something to write with, a pencil, marker, anything works, and then paper. So you can print something out. You can, if you have colored paper, that's great. I mean, I have lined paper, I have newspaper. You can cut out an advertisement from a magazine. It's just completely up to you. So this project is really fun because it is an oldie, but it is a goodie. So we are going to take a piece of paper. We need to make it into a square first. So this piece of paper is not a square. This is a rectangle. So all you have to do is take one corner and you're going to fold it so that it matches lined up with the bottom piece of the paper. So it's going to look something like this. You're doing a right angle fold, so you have this little piece of paper left off the edge. Okay? So I'll show you again. So here it's open. I'm going to take this. I'm not going corner to corner. That doesn't work. So I'm just folding it over so that it is even with the other side of the paper. Okay? So then you are going to snip off this extra paper because you do not need it. You can scoot it aside. You can save it and make mini snowflakes if you want. You'll just cut them into squares, right? So I folded it over so it matched. And then I'm going to snip this off. I'll do that later. Make some mini ones for Mrs. Roper's door. Okay, so you have a triangle. Now you're going to take this corner and you're going to fold it to the other corner. So the long side, you're taking corner to corner and fold it over. So now I have a baby triangle. Now I'm going to fold this corner so that it goes in the middle. So I'm going to fold like this. So I took one corner and I just folded it halfway so that there's a nice crisp line in the middle. Then I'm going to take this other side and I'm going to fold it so it meets the middle, like so. Okay, so you have, it kind of almost looks like a little paper airplane. So now you need to cut the tails off. So let me open it again just to show you. So here's the triangle. You folded middle and middle. Now we're going to trim these off because we don't need those. You can just throw those away. So now you have a more perfect triangle. Now, you can draw your shapes or you can just cut. I like to just cut, but an example to see on here, whatever shapes you want to cut out, you can color in black. So I made a circle or a half circle. I drew this and then I colored it in. Okay, I could do it to this one, just show you what I'm talking about. So on this paper, gotta trim the edge. On this paper, I could draw a shape. And I'll do this one, it's a little bit bigger. Okay, I could draw shapes on here. On the edges, we're not cutting in the middle, we're just cutting from the fold on the edge. And you could color it in to show that's what you need to cut out. Or you can just cut it, it's up to you. But I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut the top of it. And then I'm going to cut that little corner. And then I'm going to cut some weird shapes in the middle. I'm going to cut. Okay, so once you're done, open it up. And you have a snowflake. Post a photo of all of the French fry snowflakes on Mrs. Roper's door. And if you would like to send me your artwork, have your parents post it to my Facebook wall. My name is @ArtMissMuscarella, or they can email it to me. But I look forward to seeing all of your creations, and thank you for watching.